So you decided to use Blender for rendering your artwork. You have connected the texture maps and encountered the problem of black eyebrows on the Style3D avatar. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly fix this. The first thing to check is the color space for your maps. Make sure that the non-color mode is selected for all maps except the base color map. Next, set an adequate value for transparency in the render section. The default value is 12, but this is too low for eyebrows, which have significant layering. I usually set the value in the range of 30 to 50. I see a grayish tint on the skin around the eyebrows. Obviously, the subsurface map is to blame. I do not recommend disabling it, but I suggest correcting it in Photoshop. All we need to do is paint the area around the eyebrows black. In these areas, the subsurface map will not be applied. I replaced the subsurface map with a new one, and now the gray color on the skin has disappeared. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you next time.